PB blaster right there, you know. Just a couple little dabs that PB blaster on there. Oh, look at that. Okay, yeah, I can see a bend in it there, plus the ends broke off, the keyway's all messed up. I actually could make one of them right there over on that, let's file that down right there and get that out of there. But in the meantime, them looks real good. Now let's turn it over and get that pin up out of there, and we can slide them apart. Now right there where that, can y'all see that? Where that set screw was at, how that shiny metal around it, where the metal was upset, that's what was holding it down in there that you had to pry that out. So, yeah, we'll just go ahead and file that off there right now, slick that up and be done with that. You know. Yeah, we'll put that right back in service. That's a good one right there. Oh yeah, we'll be good to go. Nice condition. We get all them scratches out of there. Not falling it enough to where it'll be a loose fit by no means. Just kind of shape it up a little bit there, you know, set it right. any burrs or protrusions, you know, something, get it off now. Oh yeah, that's pretty tight. Now let's slide these apart and see what it looks like. Oh, that's perfect right there for electrolysis. You know, you don't get no better than that right there. That electrolysis will do wonders right there. Right there's that gib key. Oh yeah. Very good. We'll get them in that electrolysis. I don't know what that thing's made out of. That's something metal, maybe. What is that? I'll study about that. But we just will to break it down and get it ready for the electrolysis tank. See them sharp on the end, them set screws this. Let's see where it was, oh yeah, right there you can see the little thing. See, I don't think that's ever been adjusted because it's in the same place. I don't think so. That's a fine thread right there, 1/8 inch in that hole right there in that Allen sharp pointed set screw, what it is. I'll show it to you. With a fine thread like that, you can get a real good adjustment with a fine thread like that. I'm not sure what size that is, really. I have to look that up. But all three of these are the same. And this one right back here, I'm just going to tell you how it is. See, that's a little too tight that I don't want to fool with that right there. You know, it might be a little rust on the outside threads here, so I'm just going to put that in the electrolysis tank and then remove that when I bring it out of there. And at that time, any nicks or abrasions or anything that should be addressed will be looked about. You know, a little file work. What's the good part? we get that file a hold of this now. You know, they said that this lathe had been beat up with a hammer. That was in a description on eBay, and I believe it was. I believe somebody beat that right there with a hammer, several blows right across through there. But to the point where there's a possibility it'll be out of alignment. But I don't think it will. So I'm gonna carry on thinking, what if? Machine from this point on. Hello?